Hello, my name is Drill Sergeant Conant, and I want to share some things that you, as a new recruit, can do before arriving at Fort Leonard Wood's 43rd Adjutant General Battalion, also known as Reception. These tips will help you not only to succeed while you're here at Reception and during your time in training, but they can also help to get you in the right frame of mind for this upcoming change and challenge in your life. First and foremost, once you've made the decision to become a soldier, it is recommended that you begin to immediately prepare your mind and body for this challenge. Seek help through your local recruiter concerning the best ways to get in shape and prepare for training. Also, begin to get your financial and personal administrative affairs ready. One thing we often see at Reception are recruits arriving with incomplete or inaccurate paperwork. Therefore, it is vital that you ensure your recruiter has all required paperwork. Also, know that you will be asked questions about a wide variety of issues, and truthfulness is expected. The most common of which concerns medical issues. We often hear that medical issues are overlooked. To you as a new recruit, we highly recommend that you are completely honest about all of your medical issues before joining the Army. At the Military Entry Processing Station, or MEPS, you are asked to come forth with any past or current medical conditions. You will be offered one final opportunity during a medical moment of truth at Reception to disclose any previous or current medical conditions. Again, we highly recommend that you be forthcoming with any medical concerns with your recruiter and at MEPS so that the appropriate waivers can be obtained before shipping to Reception. Once you have gone through your Reception's moment of truth, any pre-existing conditions that were not disclosed or unknown can hamper or terminate your processing, training, and potentially lead to administrative separation. The second most common thing we see that you need to know before shipping is that for many military occupational specialties, such as 88 Mike motor transport operators and 31 Bravo military police, a valid stateside driver's license is required before you can begin training. This simply means a permanent, non-temporary paper license. Many soldiers arrive without their driver's license and are immediately reclassified into jobs that they did not sign up for because of this. So, bring your permanent state driver's license with you and ensure that the expiration date extends well beyond your projected training time frame. Another issue that we commonly see at Reception is that recruits fail to adequately plan for their families during their absence at training. Because training consumes your undivided time, focus, and energy, we advise that you sit with your family, spouse, or significant other and ensure that monthly expenses, living arrangements, childcare, and any other issues are planned out in advance. Do not count on your first paycheck for the military to hit your account for at least 30 to 45 days. It behooves you as a recruit to speak with your landlord or lenders, if applicable, to ensure that your expenses are covered until you begin to draw your first pay. Also, in relation to financial matters, make sure that you arrive to Reception with no outstanding tickets or overdue financial matters. For those with children, we advise that you ensure legal custody and/or care agreements with parents or caregivers are in order to safeguard against any child care issues that may arise. Again, your recruiter should be able to advise you on any of your concerns. Lastly, please speak to your recruiter if you require a waiver for religious accommodation. The most common religious accommodation waivers needed relate to the wear of the hijab, turban, or other facial or longer head hair. Although rare, there are some recruits who request waivers for immunizations based on religious exemptions. Please speak to your recruiter about this if it applies to you in order to prevent any delays in training. Because this time in your life is so important, we hope that you will follow the advice provided in this and our other videos to guarantee your transition from civilian to soldier goes smoothly. On behalf of the United States Army and the command team and cadre at the 43rd Adjutant General Battalion Reception, congratulations on your choice to join the nation's finest.